I mean I said Johnny Scotcher. I mean I said Johnny Scotcher.
Shoo. Them think I chatting.
Alright. Well easy.
If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If being right means being without you, I'd rather live a wrong-doing life. Mom and Daddy, it's a shame, it's a downright disgrace. But long as I got you by my side, I don't care what your people say. Your friends tell you it's no future in loving a married man. If I can't see you when I want, I'll see you when I can. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Am I wrong to fall so deeply in love with you, knowing I got a wife and 2 little children depending on me too? And am I wrong to hunger for the gentleness of your touch, knowing I got someone else at home who needs me just as much? And are you wrong to give your love to a married man? And am I wrong for trying to hold on to the best thing I ever had? If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Ooh, short and sweet.
Ooh, you know the machine fire the one way boss.
Since I'm dragging on.
So here's a Johnny Scotcher.
Let's don't keep it hanging on.
Alright.
If the fire's out, we should both be gone. Some people are made for each other. Some people can love one another for life. How about us? Some people can hold it together. Last all kind of weather. Can we?
Looking back over my years, I guess I shedded some tears.
Alright.
Told myself time and time again,
with a man like Johnny Scotcher. Oh, DJ Splice.
But another fight, things ain't right. I'm losing again. Takes a fool to lose twice, start all over again. Think I better let it go. Looks like another love TKO. Oh, think I better let it go. What you think about it, girl? Oh yeah.
A month ago today, I was happy as a lark. I go for walks now, to the movies or to the park. Have a seat on the same old bench to watch the children play. Tomorrow's their new desire. My lips caressed you, my body possessed you. I'd keep you if I could. If time would stand still and leave us here this way, you know what? I'd be satisfied being here with you. You set my mind on fire anytime you're near.
Yeah, I'm not the greatest soul in the world.
My body and soul belong to you. Oh, don't ever say we're through. We're still in love on the side, still in love on a slide. You don't belong to me, I don't belong to you. Still we're together. If that's enough for you, it's enough for me.
To think that you lied to me.
All right.
Way down deep inside of me, you said your love was true, and we'd never part. Now you found someone new, and it breaks my heart. I'm hurt much more than you'll ever know. Because I still love you so.
I mean, I said Johnny Scarcha.
Like no one else could do, I would never, never hurt you.
When you turned and walked away,
Shoo, something kachatin.
when you turned and walked away, I said I wouldn't beg you to stay, but I miss you. I thought I could go on by myself. I said I didn't need anyone else, but I miss you. I'm starting to get so uptight, I just can't sleep day or night 'cause I miss you.
Gotcha.
Members only.
Pull up that fuck. Pull up. Yes. Pull up. Run it to my crew. Run it to my crew. Run it to my crew.
I mean, I said Johnny Scotcha.
All right. Members only. It's a private party. Don't need no money to qualify. Don't bring your checkbook. Bring your broken heart. 'Cause it's members only tonight. Say you lost your woman. Say you lost your man. You got a lot of problems, oh, in your life. Well, they throw in a party for the broken hearted, and it's members only tonight. Go tell mama, go tell daddy, red or yellow, black or white. They throw in a party, all for the sad and lonely. It's members only tonight. Members only. It's a private party. Don't need no money to qualify. Don't bring your checkbook. Bring your broken heart. 'Cause it's members only tonight. started to believe I'd never find anyone. Doubt tried to convince me to give in. Said you can't win. But one day the sun came shining through. The rain had stopped and the skies were blue. And oh, what a revelation to see. Someone was saying I loved you to me. A one in a million chance of a lifetime. And life showed compassion and sent to me a stroke of love, all to you. A one in a million you.
It's sad to think we're not gonna make it.
Ooh, ta 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 ta. You know the machine fire the whole way, boss. I'm a rough Intrigue sound. So me as a Johnny Scott.
Well, we just can't fake it. Ooh, for some ungodly reason, we just won't let it die. I guess neither one of us wants to be the first to say goodbye. I keep wondering what I'm gonna do without you. And I guess you must be wondering that same thing too. So we go on together, living a life.
have so much to say, but in the least most simple way, I love you. I have so much to share, and so to show you how I care, I thank you. I just wanna say thank you for the many things you've done, for having faith in me more than anyone. And when people would have bad things to say and try to tear me down in the worst possible way, honey, you stood right by me, and that's how love is supposed to be. I just wanna say thank you for the many things you've done. I wanna say thank you for the many things you've done. La 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 da 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 da.
All right. Oh, oh.
I wanted to. I'd find me a genie, climb into his bottle, and let you rub me till your wish came true. I'll put angels around you to keep you from harm, to light up the darkness. Safe in my arms, I'll put angels around you. Intrigue, a circle of dreams, angels to lead you safely to me.
Intrigue, son, and real son, a bad man, son.
Mad woman, satisfy the man.
I see lovers look into each other's eyes, I realize the best of my life was you. Now I live here with the blues of what we put each other through. Girl, we let good love blow away like sand. Mad woman, sleepless nights I call your name. You're the only one to ever satisfy the man.
Satisfy the man.
Mad woman, sleepless nights I see your face. Girl, I reach for you, but only touch in space. Hurry now, your plane is leaving. I'm not a fool in believing he won't be there waiting on the other side. I've had
sound with a man like Johnny Scotcho. Oh, DJ Splice.
Intrigue sound of the real sound of bad man son. Intrigue sound of the real sound of bad man son.
Bomb legal. Ooh, ta 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 ta. You know the machine fire the one way boss and I love the Intrigue sound. So me as a Johnny Scotcho.
Yeah, honey, you are my shining star. Don't you go away. Oh, baby, wanna be right here where you are until my dying day. Yeah, baby. So many have tried to find a love like yours and mine. Girl, don't you realize how you hypnotize? Make me love you more each time. Yeah, baby. Honey, I'll never leave you lonely. Give my love to you only. To you only. To you only. Honey, you are my shining star. Don't you go away. No, baby. Wanna be right here where you are until my dying day. Yeah, baby. I've been so many places. I've seen so many things, but none quite as lovely as you. More beautiful than the Mona Lisa, worth more than gold, and my eyes have pleasure to behold. You're my latest and my greatest, my greatest inspiration. Things never looked clearer, peace within never felt nearer. My burden's gone, it's turned into a song. Tender as a baby's touch, I needed you oh so much. At last, the Lord so alive. You're my latest and my greatest, my greatest inspiration.
Oh, Intrigue sound of the real sound of bad man son.
I found love on a two-way street and lost it on a lonely highway. Love on a two-way street and lost it on a lonely highway. True love will never die. So I've been told, but now I must cry. It is finally goodbye. I know. With music softly playing, her lips were gently saying, I love you. She held me in desperation. I thought it was a revelation. And then she walked out.
music softly playing, her lips were gently saying, honey, I love you.
Last night your eyes were telling me what words can never say. You needed room to breathe, you needed time to get away. It's a way for your heart, and I know just how you feel. Your dreams are real, and I would never hold you against your will. And so I will wait for you, just as long as you want me to. Yes, I'll wait for you. I know you'll come through. I hope you find that the things you need are the things you had with me. Yes, I'll wait for you. You know I'll wait.
Ooh, ta 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 ta. You know the machine fire the one way boss. I'm a rough intrigue sound. So me I say Johnny Scartro.
Forever mine, all because you're my kind. Oh baby, I got what you want, you got what I want. We were made for each other. Ooh, forever mine. And I'm so glad, 'cause it gets better with time. Oh girl, I like what you like, you like what I like. We were made for each other. Oh baby, you are that someone I've been hoping, I've been looking for my days. Don't you ever think about leaving? This heart of mine would be grieving. Don't go. Stay forever mine. Oh, we're one of a kind. Ooh, baby girl.
All of you ladies out there, turn up your radio. Girls, I'm about to tell you something you may wanna know. You know things, they're not always what they appear to be. And I don't want to happen to you what happened to me. Listen, there are no words that can describe what I felt inside when I found out the man I loved another guy. We were at a party, oh, to have a little fun. But when I looked around, my man was missing. I walked outside, I couldn't believe my eyes. He was in Bill's arms, breathing hard and French kissing. I was ready for Mary, Susan, Helen, and Jane. When all the time it was Bill that was sleeping with my man. Yeah, Bill has been to my house 1,000 times. He and my man would go camping and fishing. Oh, I tell you, it never crossed my mind He was a friend, and he was God uncle to my only son. Now it looks like Uncle Billy wants to be a stepmom. Oh, it's been such a long, long time.
Yeah, one of the greatest show in another world, Intrigue.
Looks like I get you off of my mind, but I can't. Just the thought of you turns my whole world misty blue. Oh, honey, just the mention of your name turns the flicker to a flame. Listen to me, good baby. I think of the things we used to do, and my whole world turns misty blue. Oh, baby, I should forget you. Heaven knows I've tried. Baby, when I say that I'm glad we're through, deep in my heart I know I've lied. I've lied. I've lied. Such a long, long time. Looks like I'd get you off of my mind, but I can't. Just the thought of you, my love, my whole world turns misty blue.
I think I'm losing you. You see, when I reach out for you, you're never there anymore. And when I call you, I hear you in the background, baby. You see, I hear you saying, tell him I'm not home. Baby, are things that bad? We've come too far together to let anything come between us. Am I losing you?
Your arms don't go around me when I reach out for you, and your eyes don't hold the fire that they once used to do. Little signs of distance, little signs of distance, little signs of distance, little signs of distance. Tell me we are through.
Yeah, man, of the greatest show in another world, Intrigue.
Oh!
Hello? May I speak to Barbara? Barbara, this is Shirley. You might not know who I am, but the reason I'm calling you is because I was going through my old man's pockets this morning, and I just happened to find your name and number. So woman to woman, I don't think it's being any more than fair than to call you and let you know where I'm coming from. Now, Barbara, I don't know how you're going to take this, but whether you be cool or come out of a bag on me, you see, it really doesn't make any difference. But it's only fair that I let you know that the man you're in love with, he's mine. From the top of his head to the bottom of his feet, the bed he sleeps in, and every piece of food he eats. You see, I make it possible. The clothes on his back, I buy them. The car he drives, I pay the note every month. So I'm telling you these things to let you know how much I love that man. And woman to woman, I think you'll understand just how much I'll do to keep him. Woman to woman, if you've ever been in love, then you know how I feel. And woman to woman, now if you were in my shoes, wouldn't you have done the same thing too?
You know the machine fire of the world with boss. I'm a Intrigue song. So here's a Johnny Scartro.
Hello? Hello? Yes, may I speak to Joanne? Oh no, this is not Yolanda, darling. You may not know who I am, but the name is Shirley. Miss Brown to you. You see, I am the originator of the message you're trying to bring. I want to tell you and Yolanda a thing or two about my man. You see, ain't no need of you girls sweating each other about somebody that don't belong to either one of you. You see, he's still mine. Always have been, always will be, until the end of time. Yeah, I heard you bragging about that little beat-up Volkswagen I saw you riding in. Girl, please, I'm pushing a Mercedes-Benz. And I heard you talking about that little stuff, you what he likes and you the food he eats. I don't think so, darling. You see, because I give my man a full course meal every night, something to fill him up and satisfy his appetite. And I can see why you and Yolanda ain't got no man. Y'all too busy playing Star 6-9 games. And it really don't make much difference how you taking this. I just want you to remember one thing. Woman to woman, you ain't woman enough to take my man. Now you check this out. Ooh, you're wasting your time. You think that I would ever be so weak to let you steal my man from me? You see, I ain't got no doubt about my position. And girl, let me tell you, you ain't even no competition.
Oh.
See, there's a difference.
Ooh, you know the machine
if
fire
you could see me now.
So me as a Johnny Scartro.
The one who said that she would rather roam. The one who said she'd rather be alone. If you could only see me now. If I could hold you now. Just for a while, if I could really make you mine. Just for a moment, turn back the hands of time. If I could only hold you now. For I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my chain, and lying in your loving arms again.
I saw you walking with your new love. I knew it was over. But it made me realize one thing, that I just had to get you out of my mind. Tried my best to make you see how much I love you. Took given me. I remember the pleasure. I guess I'll never be free.
My baby and I are back together again. Loving is better than it's ever been. If it weren't for the trials we've been through, I'd never have the courage to come back to you. We're all entitled to make a mistake. We got to prepare for some heartbreak. I was earning my man while I was learning my man. Something you young girls might not understand. No pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain, no gain, no. No pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain, no gain. There was an old lady sitting under a tree. She called me over and she said to me, my days left here may not be long. I wouldn't waste my time telling you nothing wrong. But love is a flower that needs the sun and the rain. A little bit of pleasure's worth a whole lot of pain. If you learn this secret, how to forgive, a longer and a better life you'll live. No pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain, no gain. No pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain, no gain. Anything worth having at all is worth working for and waiting for. Some of my closest friends have thought they had their thing on a string just because their man was bringing them flowers and candy and all kinds of gifts. Honey, some gifts are just to make him feel better while he's on his guilt trip about the night before. You know what I mean? Especially when you know you haven't been doing the things you should do. Think about it. What is the man trying to tell you? Sometimes flowers mean maybe we should just be friends. Do you get my drift? Hang if you can hang. No pain, no gain. In order to get something, you gotta give something. In order to be something, you gotta go through something. Be a cook in the kitchen, a lady in the street. You can't show your teeth to every guy you meet. It's alright to be a little sweet, but be a mama with the kids and you know what in the sheets. No pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain. Oh, no pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain, no gain. See, you can't give up 'cause times get hard. It's just that old devil trying to keep us apart. Say, devil, you ain't got nothing here. I'm holding to my man and have no fear. No pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain, no gain. No, no pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain, no gain. Oh, no pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain, no gain. No, 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 no.
Yeah, man, not the greatest sound in the world, Intrigue.
Come on and go with me. Come on over to my place. I don't feel like being lonely tonight. You see, I want some company. And you look like you're just my type. You're the kind whose spirits are running free. Let's take a sip of some cold, cold wine and dance to the music nice and slow. And you won't be under any kind of pressure. You see, we'll just let the evening flow. Come on and go with me. I'd sure like that, babe. Come on over to my place. Baby, I got so much love to give, and I want to give it all to you. Close the door, no need to worry no more. Let's bring this day to a pleasant end. Girl, it's me and you now. I've waited all day long just to hold you in my arms, and it's exactly like I thought it would be. Me loving you and you loving me. Close the door, let me rub your back where you say it's sore. Come on, get closer and closer, so close to me. Let's get lost in each other. Somebody told me to deliver this message. Sure you know who I'm talking about. You see the world is full of confusion, people not knowing who to trust. Oh, and he's wondering why we still can't deal with this world he gave to us. It's about time that we submit to the master's plan and bring all this hate and war to an end. Well, he said it's about time for a brand new day and a brand new world to begin. Somebody told me to deliver this message and pass it on to you. Somebody told me to deliver this message, and I'm sure you know who. See, she's a child that's dying of hunger, and another